Today, we're diving into the world of audience targeting because let's face it, reaching the right people is the key to success in any marketing campaign. So let's find out how. Hello and welcome to Affordable Socials, the go-to channel for all things social media. I'm your host, Jemima Toms, a social media manager, content creator, and influencer. We drop weekly segments teaching you easy how-to tips and tricks for social media. Tip 1, define your audience persona. You need to define your audience persona. Who are the people you want to reach with your message or offer? Take the time to research and understand your target audience's demographics, interests, behaviors, and pain points. Create detailed audience personas that represent your ideal customers or clients. Tip 2, utilize targeted advertising. Once you've defined your audience persona, it's time to utilize targeted advertising to reach them where they are. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Google Ads, and LinkedIn offer powerful targeting options that allow you to hone in on specific demographics, interests, behaviors, and even life events. Use these targeted opinions to create highly relevant and personalized ads that speak directly to your ideal audience. Tip 3, engage with niche communities. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of engaging with niche communities to reach your ideal target audience. Seek out online forums, social media groups, and community platforms where your target audience congregates. Participate in discussions, offer valuable insights, and establish yourself as a trusted authority in your niche. By actively engaging with niche communities, you'll not only reach your ideal audience, but also build meaningful relationships and brand awareness within your target market. And there you have it, 3 effective ways to reach your ideal target audience. If you found these strategies helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and share your thoughts in the comments. We're here with more marketing tips and tricks every single week. Do you need more guidance or have specific questions? Reach out via email or our live chat on the website. Until next time, happy targeting, and I will catch you guys in the next video.